Clare's Tomato by Ed Keller. Children should experience the joy of gardening at every chance they get. Gardening allows kids to learn a variety of practical skills and promote a protective attitude towards everything they see in nature. Teaching children how to grow their own food helps them realize how valuable our natural resources truly are. Having organic, homegrown produce in their backyard that rely on their daily care and dedication instill a sense of responsibility and accountability. All these and more are vividly captured in my entertaining and educational book, Clare's Tomato. Clare's Tomato, the author shares her adventures as she sets out to learn about how vegetables grow. She's thrilled about growing her first tomato, but she is concerned about what will happen to it when it is nice and ripe. Clare's Tomato is an entertaining children's story. It's also a chance for them to learn where food comes from and how they can play a part in providing food for their families. About the author, Edward Keller. Ed Keller received his bachelor's degree in 1976 in secondary education and his master's in curriculum and instruction from West Virginia University in 1985. He taught in Monongalia County, West Virginia, 26 years at the elementary, secondary, and graduate level. During this time, he developed 3 science activity kits available nationwide for teachers. He also presented over 40 workshops at the local, state, and national levels and published 17 papers. Keller spent 16 summers working on National Science Foundation grants, the first dealing with developing materials and instructional strategies and teaching marine biology to disabled high school students at Wallops Island, Virginia. The second one involved designing activities and teaching geology to West Virginia public school teachers at what was fondly referred to by the teachers as Rock Camp. Keller's efforts have been recognized at the local, state, and national level. In 1986, he received the National Science Foundation's Presidential Award for Excellence in Science Teaching, and in 1990, he took home the first Milk and Family Foundation Distinguished Educator Award in West Virginia. In 1991, he was honored with the West Virginia Distinguished Educators Fund's Elementary Educator Merit Award and the West Virginia University College of Human Resources and Education Alumni Association's Award for Distinguished Achievement in Classroom Teaching. Keller retired in 2001 but had one more honor coming. In 2004, he was selected as a member of the first class of the West Virginia University College of Human Resources and Education Hall of Fame. Today you will find him at home either making jewelry or writing. Get a copy of Clare's Tomato